Alam nyo ba kung may tarpaulin? Meron ding tarpapel. Ano naman itong tarpapel? Tarpapel is a combination of two words. Tarpaulin and papel. It means paper. It is a cheaper alternative to tarpaulin printing. The use of tarpapel is advisable not only because you can save money, but also helps our environment by minimizing the use of materials that may cause its destruction. Kung paano ito gagawin, panoorin natin. Ako si Popoy. Welcome to Mang Jose Online TV. Suggest bago ka manunood sa video na to. Panoorin mo muna ang una kong video na how to create tarpaulin. Ang link nasa baba. Doon mapag-aralan mo kung paano mag-layout ng tarp in a basic way. In this video matutunan natin paano i-print sa papel ang ating tarpaulin in a tarpaulin size. Kaya tinawag natin siya na tarpapel. Nasubukan ko na ang iba't ibang software sa paggawa ng tarpapel. Na-try ko ang Microsoft Word, Publisher, PowerPoint at iba pa. Kaya nilang lahat gumawa ng tarpapel pero isang software lang ang pinakamadaling gamitin sa tarpapel. Very easy at very basic lang siya. Umpisahan natin step by step. Step 1. Prepare your image for printing. Step 2. Open Microsoft Excel and select blank workbook. Step 3. Go to Page Layout tab to set the orientation, paper size, and margin. For this tutorial, the orientation is set to portrait. The paper size is letter. And the margin is 0.5 inches. Pwede mo itong palitan at your own choice. Step 4. On the bottom right corner of your worksheet, drag the zoom slider, or Ctrl plus mouse scroll up, para makikita mo ng malinaw ang iyong tarpapel. Step 5. Go to the Insert tab, and click Pictures to locate the image na ilalagay mo. Step 6. Resize the image depending sa gusto mong size. Step 7. Connect mo ang iyong printer sa laptop or computer mo. At pwede ka nang mag-print. Step 8. I-cut mo ang unnecessary margins at i-paste ang mga pages para makita mo ang output. Sana nakakatulong ang video na to. Salamat sa panonood. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe ka at click mo ang notification bell para maging bahagi ka sa aming tips, tricks and tutorials. Hanggang sa sunod na video. Paalam. Godspeed.
Thank you for watching Mang Jose Online TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you on next episode.